Hi everyone, welcome back to Fleur Foods channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simmer pot, which is a very good way of refreshing your home. It's a no waste or low waste recipe, which you most likely have the ingredients lying about at home, and it's not complicated at all. So I'll be showing you how to create the simmer pot, and most times it's able to replace scented candle. And scented candles, a lot of them are toxic because of the fumes they produce. Sorry about the background noise. It's my toddler. I've been trying to record this voiceover for a while, but he doesn't want to let me. So this is all you need: the peel from one lemon, the peels from 2 or 3 oranges depending on the size. This is rosemary. This is like rosemary literally, but the fresh one that I like to dry. But you can also buy from the store, just maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons are enough. This is a clove of a stick of cinnamon, regular cinnamon. If you don't have this, the one from the store works really. And then this is extra, you don't need it, honestly. It's just me. It's a lavender flower. You don't have to put this part. So I've got my forage some lavender I use for something else. So this is the lavender flower, and then this is lavender plant, I guess. I've just had it drying. So that's all you need to create this simmer pot. So you grab a regular size pot. You could use a long simmer pot, it's up to you. Pop everything in. So I've put in the orange, I've put in the lemons, I've put in the 1 cinnamon stick, I've put in the rosemary that I showed you earlier, and I've put in my extra lavender. You don't need to put that. I'm putting 2 cups of water. Bring that to a boil on high temperature, on high heat I mean. So bring that to a boil on high heat. So I added 1 more cup of water just to cover it a bit more, but if you notice, it's starting to boil gradually. So it's boiling properly now. I'll let that continue for about 10 minutes and then I'll reduce the heat. And if you could smell this place, it smells amazing. And that's literally it. So you're done with the simmer pot, and what you can do from time to time, you can just top up the pot with 1 or 2 cups of water if you want to revive the smell or the fragrance. And yeah, you're done. Your house will smell amazing, you love it, and you won't need scented candles anymore. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a short one. Please like, subscribe, support a growing content creator, and I'll see you next time with more helpful tips on how to make the best use of things you have laying around your house. Thank you. Bye.